Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. I'm gonna give you guys an update on this scamming site called Elder Hash. Before I go on, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notification bells for more updates. And I'm gonna tell y'all like this: I'm not a financial advisor, so if you invest in these platforms, investments, any type of investment site, do it at your own risk. Okay, so we have another high risk cloud mining. Look at this. Let's see, when we go to buy hash power, you see how it's paying up to 14%. Now that's considered a very high risk. This is not legit. You could buy a whole lot. I mean, it's a good start right now. I mean, you guys could do it if you want, but I'm going to tell y'all like this. If y'all invest, see, look at that. If you put in too much Bitcoin, look at that. That's a lot of terahash. You see that? That's a lot. Damn. I mean, it's worth it. The return on investment will be in 7 days, but these platforms don't last. So you guys can risk whatever you want to risk. But the more you put in, it's like the faster return on investment you'll get. But you guys can risk this if you want to. I would risk it, but I ain't got no money for this. If I did, I was gonna give it a try. But I'm gonna give y'all some proof that this is a total scam. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that link. You see right here? I'll go to right here and watch. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. See, a new site at high risk country. This is Russian based. So basically, that's weird. The identity is not hidden. Oh, you see that? United Kingdom. They are going to scam. It's a good start right now. You guys can invest if y'all want to, but I wish I could do it, because like they say, high risk, high profit. But I will give y'all a legitimate site if you want to join. This is a very legitimate Hashflare. This is a very legitimate cloud mining. So far, it's been no issues. The only thing is, it's not profitable at the moment because, because the Bitcoin value is down right now. But you guys can do this one. This is a legitimate company right here. This is legitimate. So I recommend everybody to join Hashflare, because Hashflare is the way out. But yeah, that's all for the update I'm going to give y'all. So if you decide to risk it, go ahead. But just remember, this thing can scam out either a week, sometimes even 30 days. But like the highest I know is either 20 or 24 days. It's a good start. And look at this bonus, 10%. That's way too high. This is a high risk, y'all. I mean, go ahead, risk if y'all want to. But I wish I could do it. But that's all for the update, though. Crypto Wiz here. I'll catch y'all next new update. Deuces.